This is the 1970 Honda Mini Trail, the DCC dirt bike. I believe it's 1968. So everything's on its original paint. He does have still a touch of paint for it, but the things we do need is to get the fenders re-chromed. You can't really see through the camera, but it needs to be re-chromed. Handlebars re-chromed. Everything basically re-chromed. This needs to be touched up. New bolt here. This is all fucked. Gas cap needs to be re-chromed. Kick starter needs to be re-chromed. Exhaust needs to be re-chromed. I mean, this is just little things. Back fender needs to be re-chromed. Chain cover needs to be re-chromed. Probably need to use a new chain case cover thing, sprocket cover. I forget the exact name for it. And crankcase cover. Those aren't bad, but you could use them. So original stickers and shit on it. You know, the only thing missing on it is the other back peg. That's I think the only thing missing on it. High and low beam. Brake lights works for every brake you use on it. Fuel on choke. You just unclip this and take it off. It's pretty simple to use. This is you can drain the bowl when you transport it. It's made for this. The key ignition. It starts up relatively quick. We're sitting for 6 years and we still got it started on like maybe 10th kick. It's small, so it's hard to kick. So let me start it up for you. It is cold. Let's see what happens with this. There's three key options: off, on, and on running, with the headlight working, and I think you have to have that on for the taillight. I'm not sure. We'll find out. But yeah. So back brake up here, front brake up here, and the back brake down here. Which all are original still, and haven't changed the tire room. We're just changing the back one because it had weather rotting, dry rot holes in it because it's been sitting for so long. But yeah, let's see if we'll start up. It would be helpful if the key was on. You need to get a couple of revs when you get it running to keep it going. Use another tune-up. I just gave it to the other day, but just readjust it again. On the headlight. Let you out and see if the brake light works. That's the back brake. Front brake. And the other back brake. So now I'll turn the headlight on. Has high and low beam. Just flip the switch up, headlights are on. The more revs you give it, the brighter the light gets. It's on low beam right now. I'll put it on the wall. I don't know. Yeah, you can't see it right now. No, you can't see it, but when it's on low beam, there's no light. High beam, there is the light. So riding at night, it's pretty good. So, yeah, pretty much it for the 1960-ish or late 60s. I probably forget exactly what year it is, but yeah. So there it is. If you guys like it, and the go-kart, and the ATV, my other dirt bikes, and my other ATV, or my uncle's ATV. Oh yeah, one more thing. I got the air compressor too. Got tools for it too. I'll make a video later on that, and stereo system, which I've had since Easter. So yeah, peace guys.